Hi, this is Miss Lighting. Okay, you can see me down at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to go through the grade book with you because by now I've inputted the minimum F. You've had some time to kind of think about the 14-day rule. And so I just want to review how you can navigate and pace yourself going forward using your grade book, especially to get feedback on assignments. If there's something that you want to redo, I'm going to show you how you can read what my comments were so that you know what your mistakes were and what you can do to fix it, whether or not I've already even reset the test. So I've got my screen up for my class right here. So when you want to look at your grade book, you come right here where it says grades and you click on that, and I've already got this open right here for a test student. So I just want to go over a few things right here. Remember that we are a minimum F school, and once a week I go in and I put the minimum Fs into the grade book. So you'll see right here that this says 5 out of 10. Since that is exactly 50% of what could be earned, you come over here and you look at the due date and you say, oh, well, this was due on August 14th. So I have 14 days from August 14th. What's 14 plus 14? August 28th. I have until August 28th to complete this assignment before it gets cut off entirely. And remember that once you pass that 14-day rule, you cannot retake this test. You can't try it for the first time. You can give me the saddest sob story you want to. Have your principal, have your teachers email, your parents email me. I'm going to say no because you have 14 days to complete this. Of course, I want you to get it done before or around the due date. But if not, you do have the 14 days. And you can see right here, oh, minimum F. I know that I need to complete this. Well, right here, this student got 6 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Let's keep on going down. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Don't worry about these right here where it says missing because obviously 1 out of 1. Even though it says missing, that assignment was turned in. However, this one looks like it was not turned in. 30 out of 30. Oh, here's one, 15 out of 25. So that's greater than the minimum F. The minimum F would have been 12.5. This student must have turned in this assignment, but they did really poorly on it. And so you can see that there's a comment right here. Look in your grade book and read my comments because you can see right here, I'm glad you submitted this. However, it is not complete. I have reset this for you to redo. So any comments that I have in here, this student started off doing a really good job on it, but just didn't finish it. So the student knows that he needs to go back into the assignment and that it's already reset. He can click on all of the same things to redo the assignment all over again. Sometimes when you go back into an assignment, you will see that it's been reset and cleared out entirely. Sometimes you can see the answer so you know what to fix. It kind of depends on what my feedback is. In this case, it's not complete, so then I probably just have reset it so that the student can just go in and finish it. Okay, this is also, this writing assignment, remember the speaking and the writing assignments I can reset without any problems. However, if this student had done poorly on the multiple choice test, then this student would have to email me what they got wrong and why the correct answers are the correct answers for me to give them additional points. Because you can see the answers once you complete the multiple choice test. You can see the answer, so you want to make sure that you email me. If you want to redo that, you have to email me an explanation of why the correct answers are correct. You can't just say, because I answered B and the answer really is A. You have to say something like, oh, the conjugation was wrong, I used the wrong ending, or you have to give me some explicit explanation on that. Okay, so again, the most important thing here that I want you guys to remember is this button right here is how you can read my feedback. So you just click on that, and that way you can see whether or not this is an assignment that you can redo, or if you need to email me, if it's got anything in there. And always email me if you have any questions. If you don't understand my comments or if you don't understand what it is that you got wrong, please do not hesitate to email me. Okay, and always, if you have any questions, oh, let me go right back up, and then again, you can see right here, what the student's total grade is, an 80%, so not bad. So remember, minimum F, if you have exactly 50%, check the due date, see if you can still turn it in. If you can, turn it in. It will override the grade. And always check and see if there's feedback. All right, don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions.